At Discovery Healthy Company, we are serious about your wellness, and we're very proud to bring you our workshops portion of the Healthy Company product. Now, we offer a range of workshops to help you with your wellness journey, yourself and that of your staff members. Now, we offer a range of workshops over 6 pillars, which is the emotional pillar, which covers topics like stress and burnout, mental health, work-life balance, and many more, as well as financial. So these are topics like how to budget, okay, how to get out of debt, and how to make your money last in times that are really crunch. We also have legal workshops that is facilitated by an actual lawyer. We talk about topics like as why it's important to get a testament or will, or divorce topics, because we are seeing, unfortunately, a lot of people struggling with that, and many more other legal topics. We also venture in the social pillar topics, which are things like communication strategies, building better teams, conflict resolution, and many other topics that can really help you in the business and working better in your team. Then we also have the safety pillar, which is topics like self-defense, hijack prevention, kidnap prevention, and many other safety topics. And then lastly, we focus on physical topics. And this is where we kind of have the medical topics, where we've got an actual doctor that talks to you on various medical topics, as well as we have a partnership with a dietitian and a chef, and they do all our food topics. And you can actually see how we do a cooking demo live. And then we also have some fitness topics where we can help you get your fitness levels up. Now, all of these topics are facilitated by experts in their field with years and years of experience. We offer these topics over webinar or even a face-to-face format. So don't delay. Reach out to us. Let us help you in your wellness journey with any of our topics to get you and your staff members in a place of wellness.